Probably one of the most delicious recipe ever. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, pear chow. So my friend, to see how I prepare this recipe, stay tuned. Also be sure to like, share, and also subscribe. So my friend, let's jump right into the recipe. As always, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe for more easy video recipe. So my friend, to get started, these are some of the ingredients that you're going to need. As always, I will leave a full list of ingredients and measurement below, so you can always check it out. So my friend, do sit back and enjoy the video recipe. So my friend, at this point we're all done. How easy was that? Now you know how to prepare delicious pear chow or pickle chow. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe for more easy video recipe. Thanks for watching. Until next time, pear chow recipe.